look up to it and great men do it. Gandhi said that there should be a peace and non-violence everywhere in the world. Hello everyone, I am Representative Fatima from class 11 led by Mr. Vignesh. The 30th of January is not just another day. It is a day to remember a man without a shirt who was a good man. On this day, we Little Flower students gave Mahatma Gandhi a salute as the beloved father of our country. As a way to remember in today's assembly, we had silent prayer, lighting the lamp, releasing the dove, drama and other things. On this day, we also remember Peace Day and Nonviolence in the classroom day. We the 11th A students gave the prayer with a pride and enthusiasm. Thank you.